Nicole.
Get Daddy in his new hat.
My new hat? Pops, I'm coming to get you.
Hey, Mama. Nicole wanted to help open this.
Got the flaps through?
That's the last one, Nicole.
Mama's got one, Haley, left.
Huh?
Daddy's opening up one.
Mama's got that great big red one right behind you, Haley.
Huh?
Well, let me videotape for a little bit first. What did Daddy get?
What did Daddy get?
You're cool. I'm the one with so many other food. Oh. Daddy, I think
They
you
got a new
need
belt.
I think you
Look at
need.
that.
I think you need.
You like that?
Use your knife.
Yeah.
Look what Nicole got.
Wow, wait, you got some McDonald's food, play food. Here, Haley, you open it for you? Haley, can you open it? Okay.
Look how many I got.
Yeah, look at what you got. We gotta get that light bright out so you can play with it.
Yes, like
Come
I
on.
just wanted it.
There you go.
Nicole, look what I got. It's for you.
Does it fit? Too small?
Oh, let's shut the camera off, then try it, dear.
Okay.
Is this like a little box?
Haley, what's in here?
Can't
What
tell.
do we can't tell? Can you help me open it? That's mine. Rip it open. Rip her open.
You want to see this? You can play this
Cool.
You have these?
I see, Haley.
Ah, box.
Daddy, can you open this box?
Thanks, Nicole.
That's nice shirt.
You like that?
Yeah.
Here, Dad, can you please open this?
Look at all that stuff.
Look at all that stuff. Can we clean up a little bit first before I open it all up, please?
Okay.
Oh, that's a nice shirt, dear.
Nicole. Nicole.
What's
Shako.
that?
Can
Nice.
you please open this too? Only the box.
Okay.
Nicole, say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Take your nook off. Out. Yeah.
Thank you.
Love you. Is that all your stuff? You gonna feed your baby?